Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create contacts list on Yahoo Mail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to do this, we need to use the old Yahoo Mail. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do this. So I'm going to go back to the new Yahoo Mail, but we need to switch back to the old. So to do that, is to click on the three dots on the bottom left hand corner of the page here. Then from here, click into settings. And now once we're inside settings, it should have an option is to switch back to the old Yahoo Mail version. So on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. We want to go ahead and switch to the old Yahoo Mail. Now this is going to redirect us back to the old Yahoo Mail layout. Then from here, so on the right hand side near sort, we want to go ahead and click on that button. Contacts. Then from here we've got top, all, and lists. So go ahead and click onto lists. Then from here, go ahead and click on create list, give that list a name. Then from here, simply add contacts. So search for a contact name or email and then click save.